This. I. Me. You. Ever. That's how these things start, right? A single word. Baby steps. And then one following another, after another, after another, until the stream of consciousness flows from pen, from mouth, from my brain, to paper, to film, to your brain, to get my point across, make you see the world like I do, teach this point, this philosophy, this tenet. I memorize the words I have forged, or I hold them in paper gripped in shaking, sweaty, clammy hands, and I slam them in front of you, wave them in your face. This is the point. Get it? This is the idea. Get it? This is the crux. This is the center. This has to be told to you. It's why I'm here quashing these butterflies that are flying right now out of my mouth. No! Get the point across. Make those breathing ovals, the faces, clap for the work you have birthed. Sweating and labored over like a smith with this pen, with this pencil, with marker, with paint, with blood. The words, straight from my heart, the headiest proof, heady, sometimes, no, most times, making no sense at all, drunken babbling. But that's the point, right? That's the idea, right? That's the crux. That's the center. No matter how gruesome, you have to get the idea across. You have to get that bloody chunk of your soul you need the world to see, to hear, to feel, to know about. It could start with 3 minutes with a pencil grabbed blindly in the dark after a dream, or it could be your magnum opus, chiseled for weeks, months, years. It could be pages long about the birds singing outside your window, or a single line to tell him how much he possibly hurt you. And I don't know any other way that this itch can be scratched than with this delicate scaffolding I'm building and the colorful words coming from my mouth. Otherwise, they're bound to get bottled up, like wine. These ideas and thoughts, both good years and bad. And it sucks to lose something so perfectly accessible, so perfectly usable, just because you're afraid of what people will think if the vintage is bad. It's even worse to have those bottles thrown into a fire and watch them explode. So let's avoid the house fire. Let's have a party built on our own words and fed by our voices. And that's my point, see? That's my idea, see? That's my center. That is my crux. These 26 letters put together in infinite ways can do anything. You just have to